Morning, this is Kasturi Day. Today I'm going to discuss one do you know question with you. Okay, so do you know why does a hot iron capable of removing wrinkles from clothes? So we always see that when we use an iron, hot iron, on the clothes after washing, they there are lots of wrinkles present on the clothes, and when we press with an iron, hot iron, then these wrinkles vanish and it becomes very neat and clean. Very, no stretch marks are there, no these wrinkles are there. Okay, and it becomes very smart looking. The clothes becomes very smart looking. Why is it so? It is because, according to Natsuko Fukuchi, he is a manager, Kyocorp's lifestyle resort center in Tokyo. According to him, these wrinkles on the clothes, they occur at the molecular level in the fabric of our clothing. Okay, these wrinkles, they occur in the molecular level. That is, the molecules of the clothes, something happens to them, these molecules of the clothes, so that the wrinkles are formed. Therefore the wrinkles are formed. Okay, now what is the thing that is happening inside the molecules of our clothing? What happens? See, the molecules are connected to each other. The molecules of the clothes which we wear, or which we are wearing, or which we wash. Okay, those molecules are connected to each other because of the forces of attraction, and these forces of attraction are hydrogen bonds. Because of these hydrogen bonds, or these force of attraction, the molecules are connected to each other. We know that. Okay, when hydrogen bonds come in contact with water, when these bonds, these molecules, or the forces of attraction, that is the hydrogen bonds, when they come in contact with water, that is when we wash these clothes. Okay, the molecules, they come in contact with the water. These hydrogen bonds come in contact with the water. That time, what happens? These hydrogen bonds, they loosen up. Okay, and once the moisture disappears, when we dry the clothes, when we after washing, they become wet, and when we dry it, when it becomes wet, that means these hydrogen bonds come in contact with water. Okay, and when this water, these clothes dry up, that is when we put it in the sun, or on the air, then these clothes dry up. We know that. So at that time, what happens? The moisture disappears, and they form again. These wrinkles, that is hydrogen forms again forms. These hydrogen bonds again form back. After when they come in contact, they loosen, but when they dry up, they again form it tightly. Okay, now that is why the wrinkles form when laundry is hung out to dry, and the hydrogen bonds which form again and become misaligned. Okay, so what happens? When we wash our clothes, it becomes wet, and the hydrogen bonds come in contact with water. Okay, now when they come in contact with water, they loosen. So when they loosen, so what happens? They become misaligned, because when they are washing the clothes, we are rubbing it. Okay, so when we are by any chance, while rubbing these hydrogen bonds, they become misaligned. Okay, and when we are drying the clothes, these misaligned hydrogen bonds, they again tighten up in that shape only. That is in the misaligned shape only. So the wrinkles are formed. Okay. Now, this iron realigns the molecules. When we are ironing it with hot iron, that is when we are pressing it with hot iron, these molecules are realigned. How is it so? The steam iron dampens the fabric. When we are ironing with the steam iron, or if we are spreading some water, sprinkling some water over the dried clothes, then what happens? The this water, what happens, dampens the fabric, and the hydrogen bonds again loosen. Okay, the hydrogen bonds again loosen. Now the pressure is applied to align the molecules by the iron, and finally the heat causes the water to evaporate, and the hydrogen bonds, they again reconnect I mean they realign in the normal way. That is why they become stretched. That is, they become, I mean, the clothes, they become perfect. Okay, they are not wrinkled, in the wrinkles go away. Okay, I think I'm able to explain you what happens in this way. Okay, so the wrinkles disappear first faster when ironing with high temperatures. Okay, because the hydrogen bonds, as soon as we dampen the clothes, they become again loosen. The hydrogen bonds again loosen, and again when we are pressing with the iron, with the hot iron, they, what happens, they again dry up. But at this time, whatever, as we are pressing it, they are aligning themselves. These hydrogen bonds are aligning themselves in the right order. Okay, so the wrinkles disappear as soon as we press with the iron at high temperatures. Okay, so this is the cause why when we are pressing this iron, I mean the clothes, the dried clothes, the wrinkled clothes, with the hot iron, this disappears. Okay, so see, this is the picture. We know, we have seen in every houses that this is happening. We see our mothers, our I mean, any ladies who are pressing this with iron. Even the boys, and today everyone can do it. Okay, so this is possible due to this uh, science fact. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends, so that this fact can also be known by many others. Okay, thank you.